Hey guys, so today is day 4 of my 20 days of life insurance. I won't really call it a challenge, just 20 days of life insurance because, it's not really a challenge because I'm doing it by myself. So I'm going to be talking about term insurance, explaining what term insurance is, the pros and the cons, why term may be a good product for some people, and why term may not be a good product for some people as well. So first things first, I'm going to start with the definition of what term insurance is. So term insurance is a type of insurance policy that provides coverage for a term period, which means if I purchase a 30-year term policy, it will cover me for 30 years. If I die within that 30-year term frame, I will get a benefit paid out to my beneficiaries. If I do not pass away within the 30 years and I pass away after the 30 years and I do not convert my term into another whole life product, then a benefit will not be paid out. Now, the good thing about these term products, they are very inexpensive, which is why many people get them. Super affordable, super cheap, way less expensive than a whole life policy is. But you just don't get the benefits of it protecting you for your entire life. Now, a term product will be beneficial for some people depending on their situation. For example, if someone bought a home and they wanted to get mortgage protection to cover the mortgage for maybe 30 years, because some people mortgages are about 30 years, so they want to make sure that the mortgage can be paid if something happened to them, so they will get a term policy to kind of ride along with the mortgage. The good thing about doing that is, after 30 years, with most policies, you can add a rider that will actually allow you to get all the money back that you paid into the policy. So if you did not pass away within a 30-year term, all the premiums that you paid into this policy can be refunded back to you. Also, many people have their retirement set up elsewhere. They may have other retirement vehicles and they just want coverage to help protect them while their retirement is growing. Because even though you have your retirement set up for you, that's still later. That's not now. We still need to make sure we have coverage right now. Because if it's going to take 30, 40 years for your retirement to mature, what do you have to cover you now if something happened to you today? So in that case, choosing a term product will be very beneficial to you because then, God forbid something happened to you before you get yourself established, you do have that lump sum of money for your family in your absence. Now, the cons. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, a term product is a temporary coverage. At the end of the 30 years, if you do not convert that term, because again, many companies allow you to convert your term into a UL or a whole life product. And if you don't convert, then you will end up having no coverage. Also, a lot of insurance companies allow you to reinstate the policy. Like after the 30 years, if you decide you want to keep the term, which you probably wouldn't want to. But if you decide you want to keep the term, it will be 10 times more expensive because of a cost of insurance will rise and it just will become so expensive that you wouldn't even be able to afford to pay it no more. So to end the video, like I said, term can be very beneficial for some, may not be very beneficial for many, but it does serve really, really, really well in many cases. Just make sure that if you do purchase a term, you are purchasing it, You're purchasing this term for the right reasons. If you want temporary coverage because you have retirement already planned out, you have a mortgage that you want to protect for 30 years, whatever temporary reason for you to get term, go for it. But if you need whole life coverage, if you need protection for your entire life, another product may be best for you. Also, there are riders that you can add on to your term policy. I will add those riders in the description. But my favorite rider is living benefits. So the good thing about the term products that I sell, you will automatically have living benefits, which means that if something happened to you, if you got critically ill, injured while you're alive, you can borrow against the face amount, which is a death benefit, to provide money for your medical expenses, for your bills, or whatever you may need. So that is definitely another pro. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for day 5. I will be posting every single day for 20 days, giving you guys some very basic information on life insurance. If you have any questions, any concerns, please leave a comment. I will respond back. If you're on Instagram, hit the link in my bio for the full video. Thank you. Also, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and notification bell. You guys will help me build my very small YouTube channel that I am trying to build. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.